All right, today we're going to be unboxing a Keychron K4. So this just as a heads up, this was a pre-recorded, so I'm just going to go ahead and start that video now and give you my thoughts about what's coming out of the box, huh? All right, so here I am displaying for you the box that it was shipped in, damaged as it was, but the thing did come through and it was in okay shape. You will get to watch me now struggle with this box and my somewhat dull knife. Yep, there I go. Fingers in, pulling, and oh, we did it. Oh, go me. Okay, so here we are, opening up. Oh, look at all that padding, huh? All right, pull that shit out. All right, there it is. There it is. That is. Oh, look at that beauty. It is dusty, a little dusty. You can see that, yeah, in the light. A little bit of dust on it, but not so bad. Not so bad. Okay, so let's open this puppy up. Oh, wait. What am I doing? Okay. Okay, screw that. Just gonna take it away. Oh, there it is again. Okay, so yeah, here we are looking on the back, the front, in case you really wanted to see like the dusty packaging that this came in. All right, this was a used Keychron I got for $50. And we are going to check it out and see. Okay, so what is this thing? It seems to be like a shortcut little tabby thing. All right, there is the book. There is the booklet. All right, so what I liked about this booklet is that it's actually fairly comprehensive. I have another unboxing video I'm going to upload for the Royal Kludge K98, I think it was called. Anyway, you'll see that later. I'll probably put a link to it. But yeah, here we are. Here is the thing. It is gray. It is compact. It has a bright fluorescent cone orange escape key. And there it is. Wacha. All right, we're going to open up that box and see what's inside. What else is inside? So we got some keys here. Some keys. Yeah, look at those keys. They're great. Okay, cool. Just get a closer look. Okay, yeah, there we go. There's the camera. Okay, cool. We got some keys here. Yeah, look at them. All right. Screw those keys. What's next? All right, we got a key puller, metal, and we got a somewhat wonky USB-C. Or there it is, sticking out the side. That's weird, but it's something. Okay. Put those things away. Get rid of the box. Now, what do we got? Well, that's the end of the video.